Okay, thank you for your patience. We have deliberated as a committee and come to a decision, and these are the reasons of the licensing subcommittee on the application to renew the licence. We've been asked to decide an application by Virginia Woolf for the renewal of her private hire operator's licence. Ms Woolf trades under the name Bloomsbury Taxis and currently operates 12 vehicles licensed by this council. We've heard evidence from the licensing officer, Ms Woolf herself, her business partner, Kate Mansfield, and the police. We have carefully considered all of that evidence. The main issues for us to decide are A, whether Ms Woolf is experienced enough to hold an operator's licence, B, whether we're confident that Ms Woolf has addressed the various problems identified by officers in the last 9 months, whether Ms Woolf has provided a good explanation for continuing to employ Mr Woolf and the Facebook post, whether the reports received from the police cause us to doubt whether Ms Woolf is a fit and proper person to hold an operator's licence. We're aware that we have the power to grant a new licence to Ms Woolf or refuse to renew her licence, and are aware that we may refuse to renew that licence on the grounds that she's been convicted of a taxi licensing offence, her conduct renders her unfit to hold a licence, there's been a material change in her circumstances, she's been convicted of an immigration offence or any other reasonable cause. The decision of this committee is to refuse to renew the licence. While we note that Ms Woolf operated without complaint for the first 15 months of her licence, we consider that this is of little relevance because she significantly expanded her business 9 months ago, and the basic compliance problems identified by officers suggest to us that she was not ready to make that leap. Therefore, we have doubts about her ability to manage such a large operation. We're not reassured by the proposal to bring Miss Mansfield into the business, who we think lacks experience in managing a private hire operation of this size, and are concerned that she will continue to work night shifts on the side at the weekends, which are some of the busiest periods for Bloomsbury Taxis. We believe that her lack of interest in securing an exemption certificate for him shows a lack of judgment. This council expects high standards of its drivers at all times, and we are therefore disappointed by the Facebook message, which was unjustified given the problems with Miss Woolf's operation. For the same reason, we're not impressed by Ms Woolf's failure to assist the police. A responsible operator would have done so. Although we acknowledge that Ms Woolf was not convicted of theft, we take into account that the police considered her explanation lacked credibility and consider that honesty is essential for anyone trusted with an operator's licence. For these reasons, we're satisfied that there's reasonable cause to refuse to renew Ms Woolf's operator's licence. And I'll just refer to paragraph 17 of the agenda, which refers to appeal rights. Any party or person aggrieved can appeal to the Magistrates' Courts within 21 days. Thank you.